we'd like to see that this is the first time such a mega event is being organized in Tura. When we announced, when we discussed in the Msoa coming to Tura, we had already known, we were already aware that going for the first time to a district would mean monumental challenges. On the other hand, yes, we did have some bumps where, you know, there were some concerns about the what do you call, circulation of food, which was especially during the lunch period. We have around 20 sports going on, 20 disciplines going on, and two more catering locations have been added as we speak. So in terms of impact, in terms of the success of this vision to have these games in the district, it has been a real tremendous success. I'm very, very thankful again to the government, to the district administration, and yes, we are continuing to improve. We are continuing to improve, to check all the gaps and ensure that there's a very good, successful execution of the games.